In this set of promotional videos, we are going to go through three main topics. First, project workshops. Second, project outreach activities, today's topic. And third, project sampling. For more info about the others BrineRIS promotional videos, please check our websites and social media. On 10th to the 11th of May, 2022, Project Coordinator Magdalena Wersakozak introduced a poster presentation about the BrineRIS project in the International Conference Mineral Deposit Safeguarding as a Basis of Mineral Raw Materials Safety. Also, the WAS team members were interviewed by Echo 24, a local TV channel, where they presented the project characteristics and its international significance. Continuing with project events, on 8th to the 10th of June, 2022, BrineRIS project was presented with a poster in the Specialist Colloquium Robotics for Mining, Underground Inspection and Environmental Monitoring. In addition, on the 14th of June, Thomas Grab presented the project to local authorities, energy suppliers and representatives of the authorities as part of the heat pump workshop of the Chair of Technical Thermodynamics. On the 27th of June, 2022, the BrineRIS project team introduced a presentation about geothermal lithium for Europe, review of existing resources and operating projects, at the 22 Conference of PhD Students and Young Scientists. Furthermore, on the 14th of October, 2022, Project Coordinator was present at the technical workshop Channeling Knowledge from European Projects into the Raw Materials Information System, RMIS, where she introduced project information, goals, outcomes and possible links to RMIS. On 18th to the 20th of October, 2022, Maria José Giraudo from the Spanish National Research Council team was present in the Mining and Minerals Halls in Sevilla, Spain. During the event, a project poster was presented to conference participants. Moreover, on 7th to the 8th of June, 2023, Ivan Korolev from the Geological Survey of Finland introduced a presentation titled Mapping the Potential for Metals and Energy Co-Extraction from Geothermal Brines, the BrineRIS project, at the Sustainable Minerals 23 conference. On 13th to 15th June 2023, Carolina Sostek from the WUS team introduced BrineRIS project information to participants at the 23 Conference of PhD Students and Young Scientists. At the Mechanization, Automation and Robotization in Mining Conference, Isabella Kowalewska and Kamil Gromnicki from the WUS team present project achievements to date, and share information about their Master S theses, supported by the BrineRIS project. Finally, on 17th to the 21st of July, 2023, the Geological Survey of Finland team was present at the International Mine Water Association Conference in Wales, UK. The team focuses on direct lithium extraction methods from geothermal brines. For further information, please visit our websites and follow us on social media.